Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Chivera here today. Guys, on today's episode I'll be showing you the second part of what Enugu looks like in 2020. So in this video I'll be showing you the neighborhoods in Enugu, what they look like. So if you want to see what Gariki, Achara layout, Obiagu, Abakpa, Ekulu, GRA, New Heaven, Uwani Enugu, all these places, what they look like in 2020, keep watching this video. And remember guys, you guys asked for it, you guys demanded for it in the first video. You guys told me you wanted to see the hoods, you wanted to see the Obe, you wanted to see what the streets look like in Enugu in 2020. So I took my time out to go film these places and bring it to you guys. So this is me asking you guys, don't fall my hand. Make sure you watch this video, make sure you share with your friends and your families and all those your guys them, your men's them that you guys grew up with in the hood. Make sure you share this video with them because I'm sure there are a lot of people that would want to see this video, okay? And another thing guys, I recently opened a Patreon account. The account is for those of you that would want to support my craft financially. So you can follow the link which is dropped below this video in the description box to see how you can be of help to me. But if you do not want to follow the link, if you're not comfortable with that, you can as well write me via my email, which is also dropped in the description box for order, support or payment procedures and plans and all that. And I'll be really grateful, I'll appreciate you guys' support and all that. So without further ado, let's get started into the video. So guys, this video will be starting from Achara layout and then walk our way up to other bougie parts of Enugu. Achara layout is a neighborhood that is as old as Bisalla, yet it is still popping. So I'm going to start with the bragging rights of Achara layout. Achara layout is a neighborhood where most of the southeast musicians grew up in. I'm talking about Mr. Flavor, Negaro, currently known as Mr. Raw, Hype MC, I guess the Kumzi, and a whole lot of other guys. Also Ned Nwoko, Regina Daniel's husband, also grew up here. So this is how old Achara layout is. And the interesting thing about Achara layout is that it plays host to civil servants and middle income businessmen. So you'd most likely find civil servants living here, middle income businessmen, and the buildings here range from 1-story building to 3 or 4-story buildings depending on the landlord's choice. This is the street Mr. Flavor grew up in. I didn't see him there, but a lot of guys swear that Ama Street was Flavor's childhood neighborhood, childhood street, and that is St. Paul's Parish, Okunano. St. Paul's is a Catholic church. It's actually one of the most popular Catholic churches in Achara layout. So guys, if you went to Achara layout, if you went to St. Paul's, say something in the comment section. Let us identify ourselves. Now moving down, this is Agu Street. So guys, moving away from Agu Street, this is Vance Hotel. Vance Hotel used to be the It Hotel back in the day. My aunt told me that this hotel played host to popular footballers and rich guys, like the big guys. This was where they all went to. Now this is Amate Road. So you see those kids playing there. This is the typical Achara layout setting. This is what Achara layout is known for, the communal life. Now we're heading, this is Uwani Road. By my left is Union Secondary School. This is an all-boys secondary school, and a lot of big guys went to this school. A whole lot of big guys went to this school. Even one guy that currently plays for Canadian team, I can't recall his name right now, but he went to Union Secondary School. So let's keep moving down. So along this road, this is where you find Mount Bus Stop, Meniru, One Day, and all those interesting places. So if you grew up here, you should know what I'm talking about. Now this is Girls Grammar School, also known as Okunano Girls. So if you went to Girls Grammar School, make some noise in the comment section. Now this is also one of the oldest hotels in Enugu, Royal Palace Hotels, and I'm so happy with the management that they are still maintaining it to this point. The hotel is still neat guys, it is still very neat. Still going, we're heading over now down to Gariki. This is 103 Battalion Army Barracks in Gariki Enugu. Beside it, over there is Amide Secondary School, and a whole lot of guys went to Amide Secondary School. So make some military noise in the comment section if you went to Amide Secondary School. Guys, can you see the pedestrian bridge over there being built by our governor? So guys, this is Gariki, and before you start saying things like, oh, this place is so empty, I shot this video on a Sunday because Enugu is becoming overpopulated by the day. And for me to be able to get places, I had to go on a Sunday. So this is Gariki on a Sunday. Let's keep moving. Now we're at Mero. Mero is also a little market in Uwani Road. It's a food market basically. So if you're living around Achara and in fact wherever you live, you know that Mero is close to you. Mero is a food market. Can you also see our pedestrian bridge over there? Yeah, the pedestrian bridges are being added to like most markets. Obiagu has its own. You've seen Gariki's own. This is the one for Mero. So let's keep moving. Now we are still on Uwani Road. We are moving down. This is Iboariam bus stop, and moving down is Amoke bus stop. After Amoke bus stop, we will find Amobia bus stop, but I'll enter Amobia Street to show you guys something. Yeah, something like that, and another thing like this. So guys, if you went to Uwani Secondary School or Robinson Street Primary School, make some noise in the comment section as well. Now we are 6th Avenue, and from 6th Avenue we enter Amiibo Lane. That is where we have this and this college of this institute. It's a vocational and technical institute here. Now guys, I will introduce you to one of the prideful schools in Enugu. I'm talking about College of Immaculate Conception, CIC. Guys, these guys have actually earned their bragging rights. As a matter of fact, my brother went to this school, the current governor went to this school, Flavor went to this school, Zoro went to this school, the former governor of Enugu went to this school. So I think they should brag as much as they are doing. So this is CIC, and if you went to CIC, please make some Semper Fidelis noise in the comment section. I'd like to hear from you all. So this is CIC, and we're moving down now to Akwata, Mbwemena, CPS. So this is behind Oboete main market sort of, and this other road leads to Coal Camp, where you find everything for auto parts. Like if you're looking for anything car, go to camp. But this is your Akwata Mbwemena place. Right now we're moving down to CPS, and from CPS we move over to Old Park. By my left there is the Nigerian prisons in Enugu. Yeah, I'm usually not happy when I pass prisons or when I pass this prison. So that is the prison over there, and by my right is the Old Park. And guys, we are able to move like at the rate we are moving because it's on a Sunday. Although the MOT guys try, but this spot is the traffic headquarters in Enugu. Actually, one of the traffic headquarters in Enugu. Now we are at Abakpa Avenue. Abakpa Avenue plays host to a whole lot of banks and other administrative buildings, including one of the tallest buildings in Enugu. That is the EEDC office or NEPA office, whichever way you choose to call it. Now by my left over there is the Central Bank of Nigeria Enugu branch. Nigerian branch, Enugu branch, yeah. So we are moving down Abakpa Avenue. As you can see, there are banks, administrative offices, and all that here. This is Enugu Business School under a suit. Now we are at Eastern Shop, heading towards Presidential Road. Along this road, this is Asata Road. My right there is St. Bridget Asata, a Catholic church actually. So if you grew up in this hood, say something about your area in the comment section. Right now you'll be moving towards Onwa Asata and Obiagu. So a lot of people wanted to see Obiagu and what it looks like, and I hope I was able to show you guys something. And honestly, I do not know Obiagu very well because I grew up with this phobia for Obiagu because of the stories I heard. You guys, so yeah, this is on Asata Road. Still moving down, we'll get to Obiagu, and from Obiagu we'll come out to Obi layout later. Just keep watching. So we are leaving Obiagu area right now and we are moving to Obiagu Enugu layout. This is Urban Girls Secondary School, and along this line this is where you find your Annie bus stop, Ebelane, Queen School, WTC, and other interesting areas in Enugu. So by my right is WTC Estate. This is the entrance to the estate I showed you one of the houses in one of my videos. I think the video before this one, yeah. Now that is the defunct Hotel Presidential. It's been abandoned for a long time now. I don't know what happened and I'm not pleased. Now we're at Rangers Avenue. That is Cubana Club. When things were good, we were all turning up at that club, but right now we got to stay home. Now this is Bisalla Road. Of course, that's Robin Store. Bisalla Road is one of the most sweetest roads in Enugu. Reason being that when I drive on this road, for no reason, because of how sweet the road is, I usually speed, and I'm sure I'm not the only person that does that. But if you're ever driving on this road, just be careful and be mindful. That is Golden Royal Hotel. Yeah. So, and now this is the popular New Haven Junction. Yeah. Right now we're moving over to New Haven. So guys, this is New Haven. New Haven is home to boutiques in Enugu. You see these stores along the road, their rents go as high as 500 to over $1 million per year. I have a friend that pays 1.2 per year for her space. So this is where you find all bougie accessories, and it is believed that anything sold in New Haven is expensive. I don't know if it's false because I've never really gotten anything cheap except for food. I'm talking of Ntachiosa. Ntachiosa is also along this road. Open Sheraton is also an eatery along this road. These are the only cheap things I could say I've gotten in New Haven. But when it comes to fashion items, babe, you got to sit that one out if you don't have your money. So this is New Haven for you. So let's keep going down. We're heading down to Upper Chime, and from there we'll be moving towards Enugu Abakleki Expressway and other things you'd find there. So we're moving up towards Tinker's Corner, but we won't be getting into Tinker's Corner today. Now we are along this express road. Moving down is National Orthopedic Hospital Enugu. That is the hospital there. Now we are heading towards Abakpa Junction. This is Abakpa Junction right here. Yeah. Now by my left rather, is the 82 Division headquarters. So we are talking military here. Guys, stay put and behave yourself. That is the administrative office over there. And by my left over there is the entrance towards the barracks, the 82 Division barracks. That is the entrance there. By my right is where you have your command day secondary and primary school. So if you went to these schools, any of these schools, make some military noise in the comment section. Let's know ourselves. It's not like I went there, but let's just know ourselves. So moving down now, we are moving towards GRA, where the bougie people live, where the rich guys live, where the elite member of the society live. So in GRA, this is where you find the senior citizens, the politicians, the very rich businessmen, and every other person. Along this road when you move down, this is you'll find Ateze's house. If you don't know Ateze, I don't know how to explain him to you. You know, Ateze Enugu's house is here, but I'm just going to pretend like I don't know his house. I will pass the house and keep moving down. So you see how serene this place looks. The houses there are private houses, duplexes, bungalows, very fenced. Everybody's minding their business, doing their shit in their homes and all that, you know. Unlike in Achara, where there was a communal lifestyle, here it's quite individualistic. So moving down here is we're moving down to Ekulu right now. But before we get to Ekulu, I want you guys to say hello to our friends in uniform who are doing their civic duties even on Sundays. That is how much these guys love us. Okay, now this is Ekulu Bridge, and that is Ekulu River. Someone actually demanded to see that river. That is the river over there. Now by my left hand side is a private home, Hotel HSB, and another house. Over here is the Ekulu flyover with the express underneath. Now we are heading into Ekulu proper. Okay, so along here, from here, you notice there was some renovation done by the state government, and currently we are heading to Damija Road. Someone also demanded to see Damija Road. Ebuka, this is for you. I had to call your name. So as you can notice, Damija Road was currently expanded and renovated and decorated, and I'm loving the entire outlook. Every illegal structure was taken down, and you know, it looks prim and proper right now. I like the whole outlook, if you ask me. Now this is dental school in Ekulu. Yeah, if you went to dental school, make some joyful noise in the comment section as well. So this is still part of Ekulu. You still see there is still mind your business setting here, and that is my friend's house over there. I just have to go through her house. Okay, we are now at Nike Road. So moving up, we'll be heading towards Nowas. But before we get to Nowas, which is also a very popular junction, that is National Open University Enugu. If you are there or you've gone there, you know what to do in the comment section. That is Amazing Love Assembly Church. This is Nowas bus stop, and from Nowas we'll be heading down to Abakpa TK. Haha, you should not come for me, but that's how they refer to Abakpa people, Abakpa TK. So we're still somewhere around Nowas, and we are going gradually, and yeah, we are getting closer. So guys, we are currently in Abakpa right now. That is Abakpa Market. If you're looking down, Abakpa Market is always congested, and that is the reason why I couldn't pass through to film the market proper or Abakpa street, like the neighborhoods in Abakpa. But you should know that Abakpa is one of the most populated neighborhoods in Enugu. Abakpa is also where Fino grew up from. If you're a fan of Fino, you know that he's a proud product of Abakpa, alongside other musicians from the southeast. I can't tell you how much I spent on this vlog, but it will be worth it if you guys should share this video, drop your comments, like it, and you know, subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Yes, a lot of you asked for estates in Enugu. That should be coming up in the part 3 of Enugu in 2020. Do have a nice day, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.